In most of our homes, wall is a passive plane, a backdrop. We hang things on it, but we rarely ask it to participate. A shelf, at its most basic, is a horizontal line interrupting that verticality, a simple promise of storage. But a zigzag shelf, that is a different proposition. It is a wall that has decided to engage. It introduces a dynamic, rhythmic line, a controlled energy that transforms a static surface into an active participant in your space. This isn't just about holding objects, it is about creating a visual pulse, a piece of wall-borne architecture that celebrates geometric play and deliberate asymmetry. The zigzag form is inherently intriguing because it breaks a fundamental rule. Our eyes expect stability from a shelf, a calm, a straight line that suggests solid support. The zigzag subverts that expectation with confidence. Its angles propose a question of balance, and in answering that question through sturdy construction, it creates a sense of cleverness and modern artistry. The pattern can be sharp and dramatic, like a lightning bolt rosen in wood, or a more gentle, rhythmic series of peaks and valleys, reminiscent of a mountain range or a stylized soundwave. This pattern does more than just look interesting. It actively structures how you display things. Each peak or vertical segment becomes a natural frame, a little alcove that groups two or three objects together, creating mini compositions within the larger whole. It encourages curation rather than just placement. For such a visually active form, the material must provide calm. Wood is the perfect counterbalance. The organic, warm nature of wood grounds the sharp geometry. A zigzag shelf in a pale, smooth maple or ash feels crisp and modern. The clean wood allowing the form itself to be the star. The gentle grain becomes a subtle, flowing texture against the hard angles. In a rich walnut or oak, the shelf takes on a deeper, more substantial presence. The interplay between the dark wood and the shadow created in the valleys of the zigzag adds profound depth and sophistication. The wood's inherent warmth prevents the design from feeling cold or overly industrial. It is a geometric idea that is expressed in a natural material, which is the heart of its appeal. Construction is where the idea proves its merit. This isn't a flimsy decorative piece. To work, to feel secure holding your belongings, the zigzag must be an exercise in hidden strength. The back is typically a single solid panel that mounts flush to the wall. The zigzag profile is then either cut from this solid panel or in a more sophisticated build, created through a series of interlocking vertical supports joined with absolute precision. The strength comes from the triangular geometry inherent in the zigzag form, one of nature's most stable structures, transferred to the wall. When mounted securely, it feels surprisingly rigid and capable, a testament to the intelligent engineering behind the playful shape. Functionality. This shelf is a curator's tool. Its uneven line naturally creates a more dynamic display than a straight shelf. A tall vase might find a home on a high peak. A stack of books can fill a lower valley, and a small sculpture can perch on a connecting slope. It asks you to think in terms of balance and visual weight across its journey, making the act of styling it an engaging, almost artistic task. It is particularly stunning for highlighting a collection, a row of ceramic vessels, a series of framed photographs, a lineup of favorite books, giving each item a distinct spatial relationship to the next. Ultimately, the minimal zigzag wall shelf is an idea about joyful structure. It rejects the mundane without succumbing to an ornament. It uses the timeless medium of wood to execute a modern rhythmic form, creating a piece that is as much about intelligent design and visual rhythm as it is about holding your things. It proves that a shelf can be more than a line. It can be a statement. What draws you to a design like this? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So until next time, happy decorating.